Hey guys, what's going on? Basscop coming at you here with a new series I'm going to start calling Talk from the Blazer. Now, I was going to do an amplifier video today, but there's something else I want to touch on that I think has been quite a bit of a problem on a lot of the Facebook groups and some of the other chat forums. So kind of want to speak about that today. So stick around. Okay, so I'm back. Like I said, I want to talk about some things here today that I think has been quite a bit of a problem on a lot of the groups here lately. And I've kind of touched on this before, but it just seems like the last few weeks, or even last couple months, from what I've seen, it's been really bad. Is the hate, the bashing on people, the brand hate. And just raking some of these new guys that's got honest questions that they're posting on the group, and they're just getting slaughtered by people. I mean, come on, guys. A lot of these guys are new. You were new once. I was new at this once. We don't know it all. And yeah, maybe some of the questions that are being asked are a bit repetitive. And I'm not gonna name any particular person or any particular brand, but I mean, come on, guys. The brand hate. It doesn't matter what brand you run. It's all about the love for this hobby. And I don't care if you run Kicker, Audio Pipe, Sundown, DS18. It doesn't matter. If you're going to be cool with me, I'm going to help you as much as I can. No matter what the brand is. But man, guys, come on. This, so like I said, this is just, some of this is getting out of hand, and it quite frankly gets kind of old. And I don't know about you guys, but I see some of these questions, and you jump in the comments to answer it, and then you see people just getting raked across the coals, and it's like, man, I'm not even going to put my 2 cents in on this, because it's bad, guys. It's real bad. Like I said, I know a lot of it are repetitive questions, and I know everybody's nowadays got Google at the tip of their fingers, but let's face it, there's a lot of stuff that you Google that you can't find answers for in car audio. Sure, you could find the answers for what amp does this and what's this amp ratings on that. Sure, you can find that on Google, but some of these questions like box designs, what brands of alternators, what's this alternator going to do, or some of those questions you just can't find on Google. And come on, guys. Like I said, everybody was new at this once. Let's tone it down. Let's change this this thing, because these turn into arguments, and then people are calling people out and tagging other people to come back them on the thread or whatever. And it's like I said, guys, I don't know, maybe it's just me getting older, and maybe it's my profession, just wanting to smooth things out and make the right decisions, but come on. So and like I said, same goes for the brands. And then the newbie questions. The hate is bad. We got enough hate in this world, guys. With everything that's going on with the media and the race thing, and we got enough hate. We need to band together and make this the best car audio year. It's January 1st, 2019. Let's make this the best car audio year ever. Let's not have the hate. Let's not have the brand bashing. Let's not have the group bashing and that sort of thing. Let's come together as a whole community and put this together, and let's make this the best car audio year ever. So I'm challenging everybody within the groups, everybody that's watching this, every team, every company, every person. When somebody posts something, bite your tongue for a minute and don't fire off some smart comment or some hate comment. and start the whole thread war, the brand bashing, and everybody wants to call somebody out, and somebody wants to meet somebody up where they want to throw dukes. I mean, come on, guys. Most of us are adults here. Let's act like adults, because this dividedness within the community over brands and some of this stuff, it's not bringing us together like I think this hobby can be. So like I said, I'm challenging each and everybody out there. Let's make this the best year ever. Let's start it off on a good year. It's January 1st. Let's make this the best year ever. Let's come together as a community. Let's put aside the brands. Let's put aside, what hatred you got for somebody, and let's make this and help each other become a better community. Like I said, let's stop it. Little friendly rivalry, that's okay. A little friendly bashing on somebody, if it's a good friend, and I'm not saying these guys' name for any particular reason, but two of the funniest things I see is Alex Heppel, I think is how his name's pronounced, Roth Wismer, and Jonathan Patrick. Those are some of the funniest stuff I see, because those guys are doing it in good sense and good fun and good humor, and they will back each other, and they will help each other with whatever they can help each other with. Roth has helped me in the past at shows. He's come through for me. Jonathan goes to a lot of shows, and he's been there for me. He actually noticed my little problem I had at Slam 2017, I think it was. And they were very helpful in trying to get me back up and running. I'm just using these guys as an example. These guys are the kind of, like I said, people that we need, little fun here, little fun there, call each other out, whatever, but it's all in fun. Let's stop this hating, let's stop this brand bashing, and let's make this the best audio year for 2019 that we ever had. Let's have good shows. Let's come together and support each other, because we can only get louder, and we can only get better, and we can only show the world and the other communities how much of a fun hobby this could be. So like I said, for 2019, I'm making this challenge to everybody. Let's make this the best year ever, and let's see what we can make of this. So that's what I wanted to come at you guys with today, just a video on this, and let's see what we can do, guys. Challenge is out there. I'm challenging you. So until next time, guys, bass on. And just a little something to end this video on a positive note, guys. Let's do a little more of this year and have lots of fun.
Get jazzy on. Make it hard to leave.
Do it for 2019, guys.